Parsnip fries are a great side at any meal. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. First, wash your hands with soap and warm water. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse parsnips under cool water. Peel the parsnips. Cut the peeled parsnips into 1-inch thick pieces. Place in the mixing bowl and toss with oil. Add salt and pepper and any other seasonings you'd like. Spread parsnips out onto the baking sheet. They'll be caramelized to a medium brown when done. Parsnips contain folic acid, which is good for a healthy pregnancy. They are also a great source of vitamin C to keep your immune system healthy. Thanks to Food Hero for sharing this recipe. Enjoy!